Hello, Morris Dimba is my name. Welcome to this presentation. Today I'm going to take you through bolt and part list creation in TEKLA structures. Let's kick off. The model that we are going to generate, the bolt list and the part list, is this. Like a simple bridge. Now what we're going to do is to highlight everything. We'll go to view, switch to 3D plane, select everything here, then press Ctrl and select what we don't want, and select what we don't want by pressing Ctrl. Press that and that. Now from this we want to generate the bolt list and the part list. Now first of all we start with the bolt list. Having done that, all this, we'll go to drawing and reports, come to reports. This dialog box will appear. Scroll down to what we want. We want that bolt assembly. We'll come to options, select with viewer. When you select with viewer, you know TEKLA and Excel, they work together. Now the viewer will be probably the Excel. Make sure this is highlighted, then just go ahead and create from selected. Click create from selected there. This will appear, but don't worry about this. Just open this. This is what is available for you and for us. TEKLA structures, bolt list, job number, client, drawing, project name, drawing address, all these well detailed part and the components joint and the bolt on that part. All the bolts are given on every part, and the part it's linked to, like B0 is connected to B22. Total bolts will be 48, 48, 8, 8 plus 1 will be total bolts for that part. B16 will be connected to B22 and B27. Their total bolts are 12 plus 12 plus 3. The sizes of the bolts are M24, 17 millimeter long. How many are they? There are 4 here. Well detailed. Now this one, you might ask, where and how are we going to make have it a printable document, or how can we handle this? What we are going to do, we'll just come here and accept that, close this. We will go to folder of this model. We'll switch to C. On C we'll come to TEKLA structures model. We'll come to that model folder. We'll open that. We'll come to reports, double click and open. This is what we've generated. Now we'll try if we can bring this to Excel perfectly. Now from Excel here, now you can play it, you can highlight everything and even paste it in AutoCAD. So all these is yours for consumption. You can select that, select everything. Save as desktop. Bolt list. Give it a name, bolt list. Let's start with capital letter, bolt lists. Convert this to PDF. put it on desktop and save it. Save that. Now the PDF is opening up. Every part with number of bolts and the member it is attached to, detailed here. We'll close that. Now you see this is the PDF. Now if you want, now this, once you've exported it to Excel, you can change this, all this, you can change all this. You see even time is registered here, date are generated automatically. Now this is very important when you are making some a procurement for material of probably a project. Everything is detailed here, everything is here. That's it. Now this is printable and you attach to the full set of your drawing. We'll close this, minimize that, close this. Remember how we came? We came to reports, we came to model folder. Our main folder was TEKLA structures model. Entry is through drive C. We are done with that. Now next is part lists. Having highlighted all this, only what you require, go to reports, scroll down to part lists, select that, come to options with associated viewer, which is normally Excel. Click create from, just wait for it to generate. Yes, it has actually generated what you want. Now this is what we want. Now you can change all those, you can change all this, part numbers, profile, material material, and all the length, the area and the weight. The total tonnage is 42.8 tons. We have 83 members. Perfectly done in TEKLA structure. Now this is printable also, or you can just highlight this, press Ctrl and open your AutoCAD and Ctrl V. This you'll find it inside your drawing. We'll switch back to our TEKLA structure model. Once we've done that, I'll be grateful to see your comment down there on this channel that you've learned something. Actually, is my pleasure. Thank you a lot. I'm Maurice Dimba. Let's meet on the next presentation.